Chronic fatigue, daily bloating, skin irritation, and stubborn weight gain are often treated as separate issues, but they share a single biological root. These symptoms are the visible markers of a damaged gut microbiome. We are moving past general health advice to establish a concrete daily protocol that repairs your gut from the inside out. You will need a notepad, water, apple cider vinegar, and specific intact whole grains to complete this process. Healing the gut relies on the mechanical manipulation of daily habits to control your internal biology. The first rule of the protocol is strict meal spacing. You must leave 4 to 5 hours between every meal and stop eating at least 2 hours before bed. This gap allows the Migrating Motor Complex, or MMC, to activate. The MMC is the gut's automated biological housekeeping system. The MMC requires 90 minutes of a completely fasted state to physically sweep leftover food and bacteria out of the small intestine. Consuming even a tiny snack immediately halts this muscular sweep and resets the MMC clock back to 0. When this cycle is interrupted, bacteria multiply where they do not belong. This leads to small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, or SIBO, which is the primary driver of chronic bloating. No matter how clean your diet is, your gut must have this mandatory downtime to physically sweep away inflammatory bacteria. The second rule is the chemical primer. Drink 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed in half a glass of water immediately before you eat. Your gut bacteria convert this vinegar into short-chain fatty acids, specifically a compound called acetate. This chart shows how the presence of acetate blunts the glucose spike from your meal. The steep red spike of a standard meal is replaced by this flattened, controlled blue curve. This chemical reaction sends a signal to the brain's hypothalamus to induce a premature sensation of fullness. Priming the stomach environment before eating prevents the blood sugar fluctuations that drive systemic inflammation and hunger. Next, assemble the prebiotic breakfast bowl. Mix equal parts intact rolled oats, barley, and rye, then submerge them in almond milk to soak overnight in the fridge. In the morning, top the cooled mixture with berries, nuts, and exactly 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed. Instant oats and powdered grains will cause this protocol to fail. Milling destroys the cell wall of the grain. This creates an acellular carbohydrate that is absorbed too quickly in the upper digestive tract. Only intact physical grain structures survive your stomach acid to reach the bacteria residing in your colon. When colon bacteria ferment these cold-soaked fibers, they stimulate the production of GLP-1. GLP-1 is the body's native hormone that signals satiety to the brain. If the physical architecture of the grain is destroyed before it enters your mouth, you will starve the bacteria that depend on it for fermentation. The final daily step is repopulating the gut with a targeted probiotic or an unpasteurized fermented food. Store-bought fermented foods are often heated during pasteurization, a process that kills the beneficial bacteria you need. General probiotics are often ineffective. Successful repopulation requires matching specific bacterial strains to your specific symptoms. For a permeable gut or autoimmune issues, look for Akkermansia mucinifila. Akkermansia mucinifila is a specialized bacteria that strengthens the protective mucus lining of the gut. For post-antibiotic recovery, use Saccharomyces boulardii. Saccharomyces boulardii is a tropical species of yeast that survives antibiotic usage to protect the intestinal lining. If you are treating constipation, select Bifidobacterium longum. Bifidobacterium longum is a bacterium that breaks down carbohydrates and inhibits the growth of harmful microbes. Introducing random bacteria into a damaged environment is inefficient. Repopulation only works when you treat specific biological deficits with matching strains. This daily sequence requires ceasing snacks to allow the MMC to sweep, using the vinegar primer, taking a targeted probiotic, and eating the structural prebiotic bowl. Repairing the gut lining and stabilizing these internal routines requires several weeks of strict consistency. As the bacteria ferment the fibers from your breakfast bowl, they produce the chemical precursors needed to boost serotonin production and stabilize your mood. Go to your kitchen now to prep your grains, so the bowl is ready for tomorrow morning. Because the gut acts as the body's central control center, these daily habits provide the stability your internal biology depends on.